Kid Zone with Trishy. Pop up Peekaboo Christmas. At Christmas time, busy Santa has lots of work to do.
Ho, ho, ho!
A reindeer should be helping, but he's playing Peekaboo. Is the reindeer in the gift box? Peekaboo! There he is. Penguin's friend has disappeared. He's vanished in the snow. I'm sure he's only hiding. But where? Do you think you know? Let's look behind the huge snowball. Peekaboo! There's Penguin's friend, Mr. Snowman. Teddy has been helping to decorate the tree. But where's the Christmas fairy? Make a wish and you will see. Let's wish for the fairy and lift the flap. Peek-a-boo! Our wish has come true. Hoo, hoo! Owl can hear Red Robin. She's singing loud and clear. Can you guess her hiding place? She must be somewhere here. Let's look behind the decorations. Peek-a-boo! There's Red Robin. Ho, 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 says Santa. I hope you're having fun. I've left you some surprises. Merry Christmas, everyone. Let's see what Santa has left in the stocking. Peekaboo! Lots of presents. Which one do you like best? Where's Santa Claus? Ho, ho, ho! Where's the polar bear? Let's check under the orange color. Here he is, the polar bear. Where's the snowman? Let's check behind the pink tree. Here he is. Where's the elf? I wonder if she's here. Here she is. Where's Santa Claus? Here he is. Ho, ho, ho. Where are you? There you are. The end.